Step into paradise at Key West by the Sea, a premier oceanfront community designed for those who crave that ultimate island lifestyle. Spanning 8 acres of lush greenery and located steps away from Smathers Beach, this gated retreat offers a perfect balance of tranquility, recreation, and effortless coastal living. Love your morning strolls? This beautiful, maintained walking paths wind through tropical gardens, offering that perfect escape. And yes, this is a pet-friendly community. Game, set, match. Whether you're a pro or just playing for fun, you can enjoy an afternoon match on the private tennis court, followed by a game, a shuffleboard at sunset. Staying active and having fun is effortless here. Need to cool off? Take your pick from 2 sparkly pools surrounded by swaying palms. Whether you're swimming laps or just floating your worries away, this is what a resort-style living is all about. The clubhouse is the heart of the community, a place to gather, host events, and just kick back and enjoy that laid-back Key West lifestyle. Fire up the grill in the barbecue area and make it a night to remember. Now let's step inside Unit 107B. This ground-level condo welcomes you through a charming patio where you can sip your morning coffee while enjoying that tropical scenery and poolside view. Inside you'll find open concept living, bathed in natural light. This turnkey 1-bedroom, 1-bath offers plenty space to move around, tile floors to keep you cool in the summer months, and enjoy that ocean breeze in the cooler days. While this coastal-inspired design makes it feel right at home. Stainless steel appliances, modern cabinetry, and plenty counter space. Whether you're whipping up breakfast or a sunset cocktail, this kitchen is ready for it all. Key West by the Sea offers that perfect blend of resort-style living and that natural beauty that Key West has to offer. With direct beach access, lush tropical gardens, and top-tier amenities, this gated community is an island retreat like no other. Whether you're looking for a full-time resident or a vacation escape, this is your chance to own a piece of paradise. Ready to see it yourself? Contact Kate Boland today to schedule a private tour of Unit 107B and start living the Key West lifestyle.